Greetings, fans. Welcome to Cooking with a Side of Snide, and I'm your hostess, Lisa. Today, first of all, long time no see. It's been a while since I've made a video, but I had a really great coaching with the amazing Kevin Patrick this afternoon, and I'm celebrating because he was amazing. Anyway, so today, I'm going to make polenta today. I chose this because I think polenta is one of those things that people either really love or are scared of. So, probably all of you watching love it, but just in case, nothing to be scared of because the truth is polenta is grits. It says it right here on the package. Bob's Red Mill, gluten-free. I think that's odd. I think corn's already gluten-free. Corn grits, also known as polenta. Interestingly, when I went to Google Translate to translate polenta from Italian to English, it translated as polenta. I was kind of sad it didn't come up grits. Anyway, so all that this is, it says ingredients corn. It's just ground up corn. This is kind of nice. I like Bob's Red Mill because it's kind of rough and kind of not rough. It's not super fine grain. I don't know if I can actually get that on camera. Yeah, you can kind of see that. Yeah, it's really wonderfully sort of rough and tumble there. So you only need actually 3 ingredients. This, the raw polenta, salt, and broth. I have 6, get rid of this, it's in the way. 6 cups of broth, getting ready to boil over here. It's a little bit of homemade broth, but whatever, you can just use, I bought some Wegmans broth in there too. There's some in there too. Put a little salt in this. This is sort of a matter of taste, but you all know I have high blood pressure and love salt, so there you go, lots of salt. And then we're just gonna wait for this to come to, but it's almost ready. It's gonna boil pretty soon. And when it boils, we're going to throw that polenta in and give you a little lesson on how to put it together. Oh, it's starting to make the sound. It's gonna boil soon. So I'll be back shortly when it's boiling. Okay, we're back. You can't see me, but here's my hands, and here's my whisk. And here is a very tall pot that has 6 cups of broth in it that's now boiling. A little salt too. This is 1.5 cups of the Bob's Red Mill polenta. I'm sure that's not what it says on the package, but whatever. This is what works for me. This is how I do it. 6 cups of broth, 1.5 cups of polenta, and you need a whisk for this. Okay, you start whisking, pour it in slowly. That wasn't really slow, but whatever. And turn it down immediately. And what you're going to do is you can't really see inside the thing. I'll try to get that camera so you can see inside the pot. But you whisk and whisk and whisk. Make sure that it gets incorporated nicely. So I don't know if I can get the camera any closer. Let me try. So you can see it's boiling away in there. Oh, probably can't see anything. It's all steam. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to whisk it on and off pretty steadily. And it takes about 20 minutes for polenta to cook. And you have to stir it a lot with the whisk it a lot because it can really clump. I'm just looking at the clock to see what time I should start this craziness again. So we're going to whisk it a lot for the next 20 minutes, and then I will show you what I do next. I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so I brought you in mid-cook because I want to show you how it looks while it's cooking. And, oh, there's no way to turn this around. Oh, that's a big mistake. Okay, I'll just turn the camera around. So it's looking thick and bubbly. I hope I don't drop my phone into there. That would not be good. Ooh, now we're all steamy. So that's it's only been on there for about 5 minutes. So I will see you in about 15. I just realized the package says to cook it for 30 minutes. I've always done it for 20, so it's always been fine. See you in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. I'm back. It's been cooking for 20 minutes, and it is indeed done. I tested it. I want to show you how it looks. Nice and thick looking and delicious looking. And the next step is always the scary part. I'm going to try to put it in. Shoot, this isn't working. I have to put it in this. Ah, there's my hand. This pan, this Pyrex pan. And I always freak out because it's a heavy pot and I don't want to break anything, my neck or etc. So what I'm going to try to do is, I should have clarified, this is not the soft kind of polenta. This is the kind that's going to go in this pan, and it's going to solidify a little bit. It doesn't get rock hard, because that's disgusting. But I'll smooth it out in the pan here, and let it get hard. And what we're going to do is, then you can cut it up, which is nice. You can cut it into pieces. And I'm going to serve it tonight with meatballs and sausage, both homemade. What a surprise. And of course, homemade marinara sauce. Now, on this polenta, if you want to get fancy, you can add grated Parmesan or Romano cheese, or whatever kind of cheese. I like those two kinds because they're Italian. And you would put that in just kind of right at the end of cooking to taste, which means a lot. All right, anyway, so, but I'm doing it plain because there's going to be plenty of cheese involved with dinner. I'll grate some cheese and have it ready to put on. And that's it, folks. That's polenta. It's done. Just has to solidify a bit. And we will cut it up and eat it with our dinner tonight. So there you have yummy polenta. And if I'm feeling frisky, I'll show you how it looks when we get together to eat it tonight. Thanks for watching.